I know what you're thinking. You want to make a Twitter Spaces where you perform live, but here's your problem. You're doing it straight from your phone, and the audio just sucks. Well, I can show you how to run a Twitter Spaces from your computer and go direct in. Let's go. Okay, we are going to do a very quick video here. This is Robert Monroe. I'm hoping to keep this pretty short. And this is how you record direct into Twitter Spaces. So we're going to start at the end here. I'm going to make a Twitter Spaces called For the YouTubes. I'm going to start. I'm going to connect. It's connecting. All right, I'm in. I'm going to turn my mic off. You're going to hear the audio from this later. So at this point, I'm going to actually show you the audio back and forth. But let's go back to the beginning and talk about how you yourself can go audio direct into Twitter Spaces. Let's start from what you need. The first thing you need is a computer. It can be Mac, it can be PC, but I'm going to level with you. I think you should go PC just because PC lets you for sure do everything you want. Mac tends to be a little kind of futzy sometimes. So that's step number one. Step number two, in terms of equipment you need an audio interface. Now, if you don't know what that means, you probably are not interested in this content. All you need is something to go direct into your computer. So I've got this. It's going direct in. It's grabbing my keyboard. It's grabbing my mic. I won't go into that because, again, this is directed towards musicians. The next thing you need is Bluestacks. If you type into your browser Bluestacks, you get this thing here. This is an Android app. You click download. You download it. Now, here's the thing. Once you download this thing, you're going to need to enable virtualization. Now, to enable virtualization, you should just look it up. If you have trouble, go ahead, comment down below. Again, this is going to be a super short video. I apologize. I don't feel like I can explain it very well right now, but I am happy to help. You enable virtualization. Now you get something that's like this. This is a Bluestacks app player. This app player here, clicked the wrong thing, is basically a phone. That's what it is. And the reason why this app exists is because people want to play Fortnite and video games that are mobile games on their computer. So this is an Android emulator. So it's emulating an Android device on my computer. Because of that, I can download Twitter. After I download Twitter, I can go to my Spaces and start a space from here after I put my Twitter on there. And there you go. Now you have it set up. A couple troubleshooting things that you might need to do. What I have noticed is it likes to clip and it likes to push the volume a little too much. You might also have to adjust if you've got anything. I've got NVIDIA Broadcast on. NVIDIA Broadcast hates piano, so I have to adjust my settings on that to make sure that I can still get some nice clean piano. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. If this was super confusing, I can make a follow-up that's a little bit longer, but I wanted to just keep this super short. I'm Robert Monroe. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please like, comment about how I didn't explain enough and how you need help, and subscribe to this for this type of stuff or music stuff or whatever. Peace.